Thank you, Christina. This will be quick because you've seen it already. 246 lives, so we stick by our guns. Our strategy is working. You've seen the assumptions behind it. And for those of you that are very eagle-eyed, you'll see that we did give a little twist here in the middle. So rather than 4 regions, we have 4 business units: Europe, North America, Middle East, and technologies. Also, our recipe to win: people, assets of our customers, and data. We shared with you our view of the world, so our global trends, the ones that we think are applicable to Bilfinger. We shared with you our key competencies that we use to answer these trends. And with that, our assumptions, and even more important, our imperatives. And these together make our strategy going forward 2020 plus, effective 2020 through to 2024. We shared with you a lot of data and facts. These are not made up. These are real numbers. And we evidence that with many examples, especially from Duncan's section. We showed you Bilfinger's a people company, and I think the message on margins is quite clear. This is our biggest focus going forward, and it's why we are going to deliver on our commitments and on our targets. That's why we say we're going to be predictable, reliable, and sustainable. It's not a one-off effect, it's a continuing sustainable effect. And again, those are the numbers that Christina showed you. When we do that, then this is what it yields. So again, you've seen the numbers in the various parts of Christina's section. 5% CAGR will take us over the 5 billion organic in 2024. We are going to have a baseline, a minimum EBITDA reported of 5%. Why do we call it a minimum baseline? Well, we see businesses will fluctuate with cycles. We're not immune. We see them coming a little bit earlier. We have more time to get ready. And if we can exceed the 12%, remain under the 7, you do the math, we're a little bit above 5, and we leave that leeway for good times and maybe not so good times. But that is the minimum threshold we want to achieve going forward in a sustainable sense. The ROCE focus we've talked about, that will yield significant cash flows. How we use them, again, opportunity driven and what happens at the time. But important is, of course, if we do all that, we want to be investment grade, so BB+, and we want to be known as a reliable company that delivers on dividends in the range of 40 to 60% of adjusted net profit. So with that, the last slide, the obligatory slide, we create. We care, we can, and we make what we showed you, we make it work. Thank you.